Making sure that your baby's bottle are clean is an important part of providing a safe and healthy feeding experience for your baby. Aside from that, you would also want to consider how often you need to replace your baby's bottles and its parts. Today, we're going to talk about the different available AVENT nipple flows and their other replacement parts, as well as what signs and symptoms you need to look for with worn-out baby bottles. Also, if you're not seeing any signs of wear and tear, there are some general guidelines that you need to be aware of. And make sure to stay tuned because we will be giving away a new batch of AVENT items, so if you're interested, let's get started. Generally, you would want to replace your plastic bottles every 3 to 6 months. In most cases, most baby bottle packaging lists their expected lifespan or when you need to replace them. If you're using BPA-free bottles, it should be no longer than 6 months to a year. And for non-BPA-free bottles, it should be no longer than 3 to 6 months. So for AVENT, walang naka-indicate dun sa box nila kailan ka magpapalit ng bottles. Pero naka-indicate lang dito is kung kailan mo papalitan yung nipples nila, which is we recommend replacing nipples every 3 months for hygiene reasons. Yan lang, and then the rest. Now let's talk about changing your nipples. Unlike bottles, nipples needs to be replaced more often. If you notice any discoloration, thinning or tear, sticky or swollen teats, then it's time to replace it. Make sure also that it is not thinned out. If you want to test the strength of the nipple, pull the nipple and check if it returned to its original shape. Any kind of excess tear in the nipple can lead to milk coming out more quickly that might pose a choking hazard, especially if your baby is just a few months old. For this reason, always make sure to check your baby's nipples. Now, AVENT has two kinds of bottles, the natural line and the anti-colic line. Now, their nipples are not interchangeable with each other, hindi sila magkaparehas ng sukat. So, if you have the natural line bottle, ang bibilhin nyo lang nipples is for the natural line. If you have the anti-colic bottle, ang bibilhin nyo lang nipples is for the anti-colic nipples. Now, let me show them to you side by side. So, kung makikita nyo, hindi sila parehas ng size. So, hindi sila interchangeable with each other. AVENT Natural nipples should only be used with AVENT Natural bottle line, and they are not compatible with other wide neck bottles that are out in the market. Yung unang flow rate ni AVENT is the first flow nipple. This is recommended for newborns and preemies. This nipple can be used from day 1 and when switching from breastfeeding to bottle feeding. The next flow rate is the newborn flow nipple. This is for 0 months onwards. This is ideal for breastfed and bottle-fed babies. Nakikita ninyo dito sa tag that it has one hole. So, isang butas siya. The next one is the slow flow. This is for 1 month onwards. It has 2 holes. Then the next is the medium flow. It is for 3 months onwards. It has 3 holes. Next one is the fast flow. It has 4 holes. They also have the variable flow nipple na adjust yung nipple flow niya. It is ideal for thick liquids like cereals, Cerelac, or oatmeal. Yung first flow, newborn, slow, and medium, ganito yung klase ng nipple niya, spiral siya. So pagdating sa fast flow and variable flow, ganito na yung nipple niya, natural nipple na. These are just general guidelines, hindi naman necessarily na kailangan yung sundan yung nipple flow kung ilang months na sila. Kung napansin ninyo na frustrated sila or nahirapan silang magsak, ibig sabihin, masyado nang mabagal yung flow ng bottle. Time to change the flow rate. Or kapag napapansin nyo naman na may natatapon ng milk sa gilid ng lips or sa gilid ng nipple, tumutulo, ibig sabihin the flow is too fast. O time to lower down the flow rate. All AVENT bottles are also interchangeable with their sippy cups. Strainer cups like this or the bendy straw is compatible with their bottles. Ayaw nyong bumili ng mismong sippy cup nila, kahit yung replacement part lang pwede nyong bilhin. Magkakasya din siya. So, I'll show you. For the natural line, ganitong klase yung soft spout dapat. Kailangan yung box makita nyo parang may penguin. So, ayan. Ayan. Kasya siya. So, pwede nyo na siyang gawing sippy cup yung bottle kapag graduate na si baby sa bottle. Okay, you can also use AVENT straw replacement to make your bottle into a straw cup. So, ganito yung itsura niya. The straw replacement is only compatible with the natural feeding line, but it is not compatible with the anti-colic line. So, magiging maluwag siya kapag dun sa anti-colic line. This is also another kind of soft spout. Parang semi-hard na semi-soft spout siya. Ganito yung itsura niya. Medyo matigas siya, yan o. Ayan. Meron na kayong hard spout. AVENT anti-colic line is ideal if you're formula feeding your baby. They also have an airflex venting system that can be taken out and used with the natural feeding line, or can be used with any size of bottles like the 11-ounce or the 4-ounce. Their anti-colic line is also compatible with other standard wide neck bottles that is out in the market. So if you have a wide neck bottle like this, pwede nyong gamitin yung AVENT na nipples. Ayan, kasya siya. Tapos pwede nyo na siyang gamitin as bottle. Ayan. So kapag nagtitipid kayo and wala kayong budget pambili ng AVENT na bottle, pwede nyong bilhin yung nipples lang. So for the anti-colic flow rates, same din sila with the natural line. They also have the newborn flow, which is 0 months onwards. They also have the slow flow, which is for 1 month onwards, that has 2 holes. They have the medium flow, which is for 3 months onwards, which has 3 holes. The fast flow, which is for 6 months onwards, it has 4 holes. And they also have the variable flow for 3 months onwards for thick liquids. Yung soft spout ng anti-colic line, iba yung itsura. Mas flat siya ganyan, no? So ito, kasya siya with the classic bottles, pero hindi siya kasya with the natural bottles. It's also compatible with AVENT Easy Sippy cups. So, ganito yung box niya. Wala siyang penguin dito sa side. So, ito, compatible siya with the anti-colic line bottles. Now that we are done, we'll move on to our giveaway. We'll be giving away 6 pieces of AVENT Tuna cups. They're compatible with natural feeding bottle line. This already includes the medium flow nipples inside and soft spout training nipples. Pahirapan ko naman kayo ng konti para sulit naman yung pag-claim nyo ng prize. So, number 1, you need to have a pending Shopee order. Number 2, you need to indicate in the buyer's comment the correct answer to the question, ano yung kinakanta ng mga kids sa background habang ini-interview ko yung mga yaya dun sa video na ano ang hanap ng isang katulong sa amo. Number 3, you need to indicate in the comment below your Shopee order number and your Facebook name. Then we will message you in your Facebook Messenger if you got the correct answer. If wala kayo natanggap na message sa amin, it means that you got the wrong answer. Also note, these are only for the first 6 customers who got the correct answer. So once ubos na, tapos na po yung ating giveaway. Make sure also to like and share this video to your Facebook page. And make sure that you're subscribed to qualify. So good luck, mommies! So there you have it, mommies. Our free nasal aspirators are still ongoing. Just click the link here above, or I will also put the link in the description below if you're interested in getting one. We also have an ongoing raffle draw worth 10,000 pesos of Blythe items and Playtex gift sets. To join, simply like and share this video on your Facebook page. Comment below what you learned today and indicate also your Facebook name, and make sure you're subscribed to qualify. Our commenter feature of the week will be coming from Danica Dulay. I started pumping a week after giving birth without knowing how to do it correctly, and then I had mastitis and breast abscess last February. Took antibiotic and pumutok siya. Lumabas lahat ng nana, nasugat yung breast ko. Sobrang sakit kaya nag-mix feed ako. It took a month bago gumaling yung sugat ko, and now I am struggling for having a low milk supply. But I am working sa pag-stash ng milk. Sobrang hirap magpalakas ng milk supply ulit, lalo na nag-stop ako mag-mix feed. I am a first-time mom and I learned a lot about breastfeeding essentials, especially about different kinds of pumps and how to use it. Thank you so much for sharing this information. Sobrang nakatulong po sa akin neto, lalo na ngayon. I will make sure to follow your tips. Or another commenter comes from Mako's mom. I get excited just watching your videos like this. I am a mom of 2 and just gave birth last March. I'm excited to try and build a stash this time around. I see a lot of great stuff here. Thank you, Mommy, sa lahat ng mga nag-comment and nag-share ng mga breastfeeding experiences nila. So, comment lang kayo sa mga experiences ninyo. And next week, we'll feature another batch of comments.
Subscribe.
I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Meanwhile.